Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. Firstly, we should start by turn off these headphones. So, at the right ear cup you have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red rapidly. Here we go, we just turn off it. And now you need to again press and hold this multifunctional button until this LED light flashed rapidly red. So press and hold on it. Here we go, now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these headphones from the device. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones at the device list, and then forget this device, and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold multifunctional button to turn on your headphones. And after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on it at the device list, and if you have Android, you also click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!